Looking for a spacious, well-located home in Western Cranston, and at an unbeatable price? Welcome to 178 Lippitt Avenue. This classic cape offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,800 square feet of living space, and sits on a massive 30,000 square foot corner lot. You'll love the hardwood floors, newer heating and electrical systems, central air, and even a whole house generator. And bonus? A secondary heated building perfect for storage, hobbies, or creative space, you decide. Now priced at just $499,000, down from $589,000. This one is meant to move. Join us for the open house. Saturday, August 2nd from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Sunday, August 3rd from 12 to 1:30 p.m. For questions or a private tour, contact Kamil Sarji at 401-396-2888. Don't wait. Homes like this don't last. Gold Door Realty, where doors don't just open, they invite.